Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello to Jira sync with automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Trello to Jira sync with automation, start by opening your Trello account. Navigate to the board that you want to sync with Jira. In the board menu on the right, select Power UPS. Search for and enable the Jira power-up. Once the power-up is enabled, click on Settings next to the Jira power-up. You will be prompted to log into your Jira account. Enter your Jira credentials and grant the necessary permissions. After logging in, choose your Jira project from the drop-down menu. Decide which Trello lists will map to Jira issue types. For instance, you might map a to-do list to task in Jira. Next, set up triggers for automation. Decide when you want the sync to occur, such as when a card is moved to a specific list. Access the automation features in Trello. Click on Automation in the top menu bar. Select Create Rule to define your triggers and actions. In the rule, specify the event for when a card is moved or created. Then, set the action to create or update an issue in Jira. Make sure to include relevant details, like the card title and description. You can also use custom fields to capture additional information. Once you have configured the rule, save your automation. Test the synchronization to ensure everything works as expected. Move a card in Trello to see if it reflects in Jira. If there are any issues, review your settings and permissions. Adjust as necessary and test again. Once confirmed, you have successfully configured Trello to Jira sync with automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.